Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just posted a shorts on YouTube regarding some really good update, really good news on the Florida insurance crisis. Those of you that are not familiar, insurance has gone skyrocketed for homeowners insurance, even automobile. But we're focusing on homeowners insurance, and a lot of people are struggling right now. A lot of the big box insurance carriers have left the state. It's a very complicated situation. There's a lot of reasons. There's a lot of claims that can't be paid, and so these insurers are either increasing their premiums or they're just not renewing it. So it's having a significant impact on the residents here in Florida. So this is some good news. So let's go take a look at it really quick. Okay, so this is an article that came out actually yesterday, last evening, from a Florida Realtors, obviously a very trusted source for realtors and for update information, the voice for real estate in Florida, right? So it says here that Florida okays new property insurer, Mainsail Insurance. Well, one of the key players in Florida in terms of insurance is Citizens Insurance. It's a state-run insurance, right? The benefit of Citizen Insurance is state-run, so it's highly unlikely that your claims don't get paid out, and they're budgeted for that. But there are also other parts of this. Most folks who get Citizen Insurance, it's because their original carriers did not approve them or let them go, or just the premiums are too high. Traditionally they say that the Citizens Insurance, Florida Insurance, is lower premiums. It's not always the case. It's on a case by case scenario, but you have a higher probability of getting that insurance versus a private insurer with maybe a little more stricter underwriting. So let's take a look at this. Let's go down a little bit. It says the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation says changes passed by the Florida legislature have attracted new insurers and removed 280,000 policies from Florida-owned citizens. That's what I mentioned. So what were the legislations? We can discuss that in a different topic. It had a lot to do with also reinsurance processes. So some of these big box insurance who have decided to leave may come back or may remain partly in the state. Very important to have options for any type of businesses, services this way that you can shop for your best premium that fits you. If you're limited in your selections, the chances are the rates are going to go up. It's just supply and demand. So it says here that the Florida Office of Insurance, OIR, Insurance Regulation, approved Mainsail Insurance Company, a Texas-based property and casualty insurer. The second company to be approved. This is the second company to become approved and authorized for property and casualty insurance in Florida. So, which is great. So it's kind of opening up again because these carriers. I mean, again, these are for-profit companies. They have to make sure that it's worth their time to, do business in the state of Florida. So Mainsail joined Tailrow, which OIR approved in April, and OIR, again, Insurance Regulation, Office of Insurance Regulation, continues to accept and review new insurer application, and says it will announce new entrants on a rolling basis. Exactly. So the addition is evidence that recent legislative reforms are having positive effects, guys. So hopefully, it's still very early in the game. Hopefully we'll have some positive news about this, and continue to have positive news, and we have more options rather than just depending on citizens. And hopefully this will eventually bring down some of the premium and the cost of insurance, because oftentimes a lot of these property owners, they have their taxes that go up, the interest, if it's an adjustable rate, if they have a PMI, and now insurance, right? A lot of them have a fixed budget, and when something like an insurance doubles or triples in some cases, it's going to have such a dangerous adverse impact on an individual's ability to pay and manage their home. So we want to avoid, what happened in 2008 with the foreclosures and the bankruptcies and so forth. So we want to make sure that insurance is manageable in the state of Florida, which has been a big issue. In noting shifts in Florida's insurance market, OIR cites uh, recent legislative changes designed to promote market stability, including SB 2A and 2D. We got to look at that. As a result of these reforms, OIR says that there are additional opportunities in the market for insurers in the state of Florida. Exactly, the insurers want to make sure that there's an opportunity to do business in Florida, obviously, for profit. So yeah, it's some great news, and let me know what you think. Comment below. I just wanted to share this information. Always looking for some positive feedback or some additional information that you may have as experts in the field. Until then, see you and take care, and due diligence and be safe out there, guys. Take care now.